Hello, Elizabeth here, and today I'm going to show you how I made this rainbow pom-pom wall hanging. Pom-poms are super easy and fun to make, and I just think they're so cute and add so much life to a room. I'm gonna show you how I made just this little mini one, but I've seen giant walls of pom-poms and even photo backdrops made out of them. The sky is the limit. Let's do it! First, you need to make your pom-poms. I used different sizes and colors of yarn for mine. Many different types of yarn will work for this. This is called a Pom Pom Maker. They come in a bunch of different sizes and they are really affordable, but you can also make your own version out of cardboard that works the same way. Just look up how to make a Pom Pom Maker and there are plenty of tutorials for that. First, you're going to open the two little arms on one side of the Pom Pom Maker. Make sure that they are lined up evenly and start wrapping your yarn back and forth across the semicircle, covering the tail end. Try to get even coverage from end to end and just keep working your way back and forth until it's nice and thick like this. Close the arms and trim the tail. Then you're going to open the other side and do the exact same thing, working your way back and forth until it's the same thickness as the other side. Once both sides are fully covered, you're going to take a pair of scissors and cut through this slit down the middle between the arms. The yarn will fray wide open on either side. Then repeat the same thing on the other side and it will look like this. Next, cut a long piece of yarn and you're going to tie it around the middle of all of those strands by sticking it through that center slit we just cut across. I like to tie it a few times so that it's nice and tight. Then you can trim those tails and open up the arms and pull the Pom Pom Maker apart to reveal your gorgeous pom-pom. You can fluff it with your hands until you're happy with the shape, and there will be some straggly bits that you can leave if you love them, or you can trim them up for a nice clean sphere. I'll show you once more with the thicker yarn. The steps are exactly the same, but you will get through the wrapping much more quickly as the bigger yarn takes up more space. Both pom-poms come out the same size, but the one that was made with the smaller yarn looks more dense because there are more individual strands. You can also use different sizes of pom-pom makers if you want varying sizes of pom-poms on your wall hanging. I made a total of 9 pom-poms for my wall hanging. I got this small wooden dowel from the dollar store to hang them from. Next, you're going to cut some long pieces of yarn to thread through the pom-poms. I chose white. You will be folding the yarn in half, so make sure it's long enough to do that. Next, you want to attach the yarn to your dowel. I do that by bringing the fold in the middle over the dowel and reaching through the loop to pull the strands through. Then you want to thread the ends of the yarn through a large needle. I'm using a plastic yarn needle, but a darning needle will also work. Then you can stick the needle right through the middle of the pom-pom and pull through. I did 3 pom-poms per strand. When you do this, you might snag a couple of the little strands of the yarn and pull them out of the pom-pom. No big deal, the pom-pom should still look good. Once the pom-poms are threaded through, they should just stay in place wherever you put them. You can slide them up and down the yarn to reposition them. You can hang your dowel on the wall however you want to. Mine is just sitting on a couple of push pins, but you may need something stronger if your wall hanging is larger than mine. Once you have your pom-poms on the wall, you might see a couple more little stragglers that need to be trimmed. You can also trim the bottoms of the strands to be even with each other. I arranged my pom-poms to be a little bit staggered. And that's all there is to it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment letting me know what you would like to see next. See you later!